Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss everything related to Power BI. Today we'll be talking about the table option in Power BI and how it can be used to analyze sales data. A table is a visual representation of data that allows you to group and summarize information by rows and columns. It's perfect for analyzing data that has multiple dimensions or categories. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at our example data. We have a sales dataset that contains information about the sales of different products in different countries. To create a table visualization, we will go to the visualization pane and will select the table options as shown in the screen. Now, let's say we want to see the total sales amount for each country and the product. We can add these fields to the table by clicking on it. We will click on the total sales amount, then country, and then the product. Now you can see all the three information are added in column and the table visual has been created on the canvas. Next, we can use the table to summarize the data in different ways. We can change the aggregation function used to summarize the data, such as sum, average, or count. We can also add a total row or column to the table to see the total sales for each product or region. Finally, we'll format the table to make it more visually appealing. We can change the background color, font, and border of the table by selecting the Format option from the Visualizations pane. We will click on Format Your Visual from Visualization pane. To increase the font, we will click on Values, and then in Values we have the font option. From there, we will change font size as per the requirement. We can change the text color by clicking on Text Color. We can change the background color from the option shown on the screen. We can increase the column header by clicking on Column Header option, where we can add the color to the text or to the background. Even we can increase the size. There are many other options which you can have a hands-on experience on it. We have another subcategory that is called General. In General we have properties from where we can increase or decrease the height and width of the table tile. From the Title option we can add the title to the table tile. From the Effect option we can add the color to the background. We can enable a visual border and we can add the shadow to our visual. The next is the header icon, from where we can enable the header. Moving to the canvas, we have three options to the right side. We will click on the last option, which is More option. From there we can export data in CSV, or we can sort data in the largest to smallest or from smallest to largest. And that's it. We've learned how to use the table option in Power BI to analyze sales data. With the table option, we can group and summarize information by rows and columns, add additional fields, format the visualization, and summarize the data in different ways. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials.